I have 18 plus gift ideas for her. Everything I talk about will be linked in the description box below. Also, I have a bonus for you at the end you are not going to want to miss. If you have not signed up for Amazon Prime, make sure that you check that out. Free shipping, free returns, lots of other freebies as well. Starting with number 18, this robe is to die for. It is spa hotel-like. I ordered it in the white. It comes in multiple colors. It is so soft. It is so plush. I love the nice detail with the hood on it. It also has this hook so you can easily hang it in your bathroom or in your closet. It also has 2 pockets that she's absolutely going to love to put her cell phone, her trinkets, whatever she needs to in there. It has this beautiful tie. It's a longer robe so that her bum will not be hanging out. Everything will be fully covered while she gets ready, enjoys her day, relaxes in the evening or at night. Dry, cracked hands no more. She's gonna love these beauty gloves. It came in a 6-pack. The nice thing is that you can easily be on your cell phone while you're making sure that your hands are nice and dry, your cuticles are moist so that your hands look beautiful in the winter months when it gets cold and dry. These are super comfortable. I wear these. My daughter also wears these, and I love the bow detail on them. They wash up great. I wash them every single day, one for each day of the week essentially. Now these two go hand in hand. Before you put your hands in the beautiful gloves that I just showed, you're going to want to get some of this relaxing and hydrating dry skin cream. I initially bought this for heels, but it works great on your hands as well. It's a #1 bestseller. Tea tree oil, aloe vera, chamomile. Love this stuff. Fuzzy socks. You can never go wrong with buying her a pair of warm, comfortable, soft, plush socks. This came with multiple in a pack. This is just 2 that I'm showing you here today. There are also multiple designs. I love that it's sort of a mid-calf. It's not too high. It's not too short. These wash up very well. You can wear these at night. You can wear these out and about. Love them. I am no stranger to going to the salon and getting manicures, but I found this amazing gel polish kit on Amazon. Look at all these wonderful colors that it comes with. The colors here listed on the top. My daughter and I love this. It comes with a top coat. It comes with a base coat. This works well. It has a timer on it. As a bonus, it came with this amazing lavender cuticle oil. It came with nail files. For everything that you get, the price point on this is amazing. You can also see in here there are different gems where you can decorate your nails. This kit has everything that you need. You can use this on your hands. You can use this on your toes. If you know someone on your list that loves just getting their nails done, or maybe could benefit from having a little self-care time while they do their nails, this is it. Oh, and by the way, make sure you hit that share button so you can share this with other people that you know would benefit from having some gifts for her. So just made some chocolate chip banana muffins this morning. Let me show you a little trick that I love using. If you have old bananas, this is a great snack, a great breakfast to have. In here is this pancake and muffin dispenser. I absolutely love this. It makes dispensing your muffins or your pancakes so easy because you have the right amount, no more spilling in a bowl. You can mix everything inside of here so you dirty less dishes. This is so easy to wash out and clean, and I love using this. In fact, I use this multiple times a week, probably 3 times per week. All you have to do is just open the handle like so, and then it dispenses. It has a measuring here on the side. This is one of those kitchen gadgets that you will actually use and love. This is one of my favorite winter hats. It looks amazing on every skin color, especially in the snow when it is white out, and you can easily find anyone with this, but it's also very, very soft. I saw this on another influencer and it looked amazing on her, and I thought, I have to have it. This comes in multiple colors if you do not love the red, but it's super comfortable. Love the little pom-pom detail here on the top. A little sneak peek here. I love to organize my hats using this. Yes, this is from Amazon. I'm going to be doing a future video on home organization must-haves, including this and this beautiful thing right here. So make sure that you subscribe with those notification bells turned on. I'm going to take you now here to one of my favorite pieces of jewelry. I got this hummingbird necklace in this beautiful dainty gold color. You can adjust it to depending on the size of the person that you're buying it for. This holds up very nicely. I run a fitness channel here on YouTube, so I do lots of sweating, cleaning, and running around, and you can see how beautiful this hummingbird is. The nice part about this, especially as a gift, this came with this beautiful card. It says life is beautiful, and I just keep this here to remind me of the beauty that is all around us. But again, this comes in multiple different designs, not just the hummingbird one, but the price point on this and the quality is superb. This is a steal of a deal. Keeping you here in my closet, let me show you a little something. I love a good blanket scarf. I love these so much. I bought them in 3 colors. I have it in the pink, I have it in the beige, and then I also have it in the black. They wash up beautifully. I've washed all of these multiple times. These look great with anything to keep you warm, to keep you stylish. Socks are another safe bet. This would also pair very nicely with the fuzzy socks that I just showed you previously. Speaking of socks, I'm wearing a pair right now, these beautiful pattern wool socks. They come in multiple designs. I wear these almost every single day. You can see the length right here is just perfect, especially if you want to wear a low-rise boot. You can leave these out for a little extra style detail. Super warm, super comfy, but not too warm so that your feet are not sweating. I recently redesigned and restyled my office, and I got these 3 prints right here. I'm actually going to show you this one. This is probably my favorite of all of them. It says, "They whispered to her, 'You cannot withstand the storm. I am the storm,' she whispered back." It does not come with the picture frame, but the print itself is such a great price point. I mean, look at how beautiful that is, encouraging that is. She will love this. Let's go in my freezer. I have an absolute must-have for you. I know it seems a little bit crazy, but it is this ice face roller. I use this every single day when I wake up at 4 a.m. while I'm doing my meditations. Not only is it great for your skin to reduce puffiness and redness, it feels absolutely amazing. This is all the rage. I love this one. It's holding up so nicely. Again, I'm using this every single day. This paired with the robe would be excellent. Can I just keep it in this plastic bag here because, yeah, I have to keep it next to my food here in my freezer. Candles are also a safe bet. I love this gold one here. This smells so beautiful. I just keep it right here on my office desk. It says, "Shine a light in the darkness. Burn this candle and help fight human trafficking." So not only does it smell amazing, but it also goes towards a good cause. Let me take you inside this cupboard right here. This is an absolute must-have. This is a steamer and an iron all in one, but look at the nice size on this and how beautiful this is. I use this almost every single day, not only to iron stuff, but I love the steaming function on it as well. You can just pour your water in here. The cord is nice and long. I just use one of these Amazon cord binders here to keep everything organized. But if she likes nice, clean lines, especially if you buy a shirt, you don't want to wear a wrinkled shirt, you can just quickly pull this out and steam it. I use this on my clothes. I use this on my kids' clothes. I love that when you steam it, you can steam it down like this. Many of them will leak when you are trying to steam. Most steamers you have to hold upright like this so that the water does not leak out, but this one is amazing. So if you just want to steam some sheets that are already on your bed, I know that because I do that quite frequently, you can use this. Now I'm going to take you inside my pantry, my coffee bar. This beautiful mug she will absolutely love. If she loves coffee or tea, it comes in 2 colors. I love that it has this beautiful lid on it so that if you are making tea and you want to take out your tea bag, you can just set it on the lid right here. But while you're steeping it, then you have a nice lid. But this will also keep your coffee warmer if you're wanting to drink coffee. It came with a beautiful gold spoon. This washes up very nicely, and the packaging on this is phenomenal. I showed this in a previous video, and the beautiful pink box was to die for. Speaking of coffee, just taking you back here in my office, I sit here in the morning and read and meditate, and I hate when my coffee gets cold. So I thought, let me find a coffee warmer, which is great. You just plug this in. You don't even have to turn it on, but you set your coffee cup in there and you can see that it turns on this beautiful purple. It comes in multiple colors, and yes, it truly does keep your coffee nice and warm. And when you take your cup off, it automatically shuts off. I love these so much. I bought another one. I'll share this one in a later video. Dun, dun, dun. This is the one thing that you didn't know that you needed. It is a boot and mitten warmer. I use this every single day with my kids. I'll warm up their boots before they go out on the school bus. I looked at a lot of reviews when it comes to these, and this was the best one. These come off, which is really nice. This is easy to operate and clean as needed. All you have to do is plug it in, turn it onto the heat, and then you can set your timer, and then it will go ahead and heat everything up nicely and dry it more quickly. Let's take you into my beauty cabinet here, shall we? These eye patches are so much fun and so functional. This came with multiple in a pack, depuffing and brightening eye gels. You can use this morning, you can use this at night, you can use this any time of day. This is so fun and relaxing to put on your eyes. This paired with the robe and some fuzzy socks will be the best gift that she has probably ever received and will help her relax and feel her best self. And a few bonus items for you. My friend, this is a #1 bestseller. I've seen all the influencers talking about this lip cream cream, and I have to say that I would attest to it as well. It is a lip sleeping mask. However, I use it all throughout the day. This is the berry flavor. It does come in other flavors. My daughter loves this. I love that this comes with a little wand rather than having to dip your finger in there and then it gets caught underneath your nail. She will absolutely love this. Sheets are another amazing gift. I bought these in white. They are a #1 bestseller. I've talked about them so much because they are that good. They come in multiple colors. They are so soft. They are hotel luxury-like. In fact, my friend, these sheets have over 200,000 reviews on them. They wash up nicely. They have less wrinkles than any other sheet that I have met before. Get them while they are in stock. You can never go wrong with an awesome pair of slippers. These hold up so nicely. They have non-slip grip on the bottom. I love the little detail right here. I wear these in and around my house all the time, and I clean in them. I run around. I chase 4 kids in them. So they have just held up beautifully. In fact, I love these so much. I have the gray ones in my Amazon cart right now. Traveling, who doesn't love to travel? Thumbs up if you love getting out and doing different things. Now, this is not just only for the plane. I've used this in the car. In fact, we're leaving here in a few days for some family related things, but I love this. But if you want to travel in a plane, you absolutely can. See this compartment right here? You just slip it on the back of your suitcase, which is really, really nice. But inside here, well, this is a pillow, as you can see, but inside is a really soft plush blanket. I love the nice gold detail on here. I bought this for my sons. I bought this for my daughters. It washes up beautifully. And then you just fold it on up and zip it back in here. The zipper quality on this is also excellent. This is an amazing gift idea. Maybe you wanted to take her someplace nice, or maybe you have someone that just loves to travel, has the traveling bug. Get this for them. They will love it. Also, this works great if you're staying at a cabin or staying at a friend's house and you just want your own little pillow and blanket. You can easily hook this on your suitcase or your bag and you're good to go. A couple last bonuses for you. This is an absolute must-have. These are 2 separate gifts, but they also go hand in hand. This iWalk portable phone charger, and I love this case, this beautiful case where you can also put the cord inside there. Let me show you how to use this. All you do is flip the lid right there and stick it on the bottom of your phone. You can see how much charge this has. This works amazing. You can keep this in your car. You can keep this in your pocket. You can keep this in your backpack. You can keep this wherever you need to. And when you need to charge it up, you just go ahead and stick the adapter right there. And last but not least, a beautiful durable luggage set. When I was trying to find luggage last year, I could not find it anywhere in the store, so I went to Amazon. And my friend, I've had multiple luggage sets before. This has been the best one. This is a 3-in-1, which is awesome. It has beautiful roller wheels on it. It has this very nice extendable handle. It has extenders here on the side. It has this nice detail right here to keep your luggage intact for longer. I got the beautiful rose gold. As you can see, it swivels so nicely. I talk about this in more detail. I'll talk about in just a second. But before we do that, head on over to AndreaJaneCleaning.com or click the link in the description box below. My team has come up with 28 more relaxing gift ideas for her. So this video compared with the blog post, you should be able to find everything that you need for every female on your list, no matter her age. But if you want to see this in more detail along with some other amazing travel goodies, click this video on screen now. Or if you want to see some additional Amazon gift ideas, click this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.